Grabe! Yung shimmer shades, nasa kanya na ang lahat. For an eyeshadow topper, hey guys! What's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's gonna be another episode of cheap makeup products that can be found in Shopee. I'm gonna be reviewing these products right here. They're from Beauty Glaze. This one is the 15 Color Eyeshadow Sunset Dusk by Beauty Glaze. And this one is the 15 Ultra Pigmented Glitter Shadows by Beauty Glaze. Let's open her up. The packaging is actually nice. So talagang parang sunset yung vibe niya. Pagka-open mo, so, ayan. Meron siyang film na nakalagay. These are the shadows. As you can see, they're more on the warm colors kasi siguro inalign nila yon sa pangalan ng eyeshadow nila, which is the Sunset Dusk. I actually forgot how much is this, so I'll just flash it around the screen. Pero, this is just less than 300 pesos. We have 15 shades for the Sunset Dusk palette. Mag-swatch muna tayo. Try natin yung Copper. Uy. Ay, ganda siya, girl. Cinnamon, Volcano, Golden. So, these are the shades. Try natin. Ooh. Wow. Base sa swatch niya, medyo patchy yung pagka-swatch ng Golden. Pero, grabe. Yung matte shades niya. Gusto ko na agad siyang i-apply. Pero, open muna natin yung glitter shadow para, diba? This is the glitter shadow. This is the pressed glitter shadow by Beauty Glaze as well. Let's open her up. Oh my gosh! So, meron din siyang protective film. Oh, yun. Grabe! Let's try swatching two colors. Try lang muna natin yung color. Try natin yung color. Itong pink na to. Wala siyang shade names by the way. So, ay girl. Oh my gosh! Woo! Then, try din natin yung ito. Yung katabi lang niya. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap niyang hawakan. Oh my Lord. So, medyo, hindi ko alam kasi siguro dahil sa makeup remover na nilagay ko. Kaya naging patchy ito. Nabitin siya. Pero ito, oh my God. Grabe. Try muna natin ulit mag-swatch ng isa pa. Try muna natin itong blue. Oh my. Grabe. Grabe yung swatch niya. Hindi siya yung nabitin na swatch. And, my gosh. Sana maganda siya kasi great find siya kung boom yung kulay niya. Start muna tayo dito sa Beauty Glaze Sunset Dusk Palette. dito. Oh my God. This is a great find. Mas magpa-pop yung glitter kung meron kayong glitter glue. Pero ako kasi wala. Oh my God! Ang ganda nito. Sobrang ganda niya, girl. Both of these are just under 300 pesos. Na mind blown ako dito sa dalawang to. First off, dito muna tayo sa palette na to. The pigmentation is super nice. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect na sobrang pigmented niya. I mean, hindi ko in-expect na magiging ganito yung performance niya. Oh my God, sobrang ganda niya. As in, lahat, yung matte shades, yung shimmer shades, nasa kanya na ang lahat. Pero yun nga lang, yung ginger na shade, hindi ko siya masyado nagustuhan. Kasi I just feel like hindi nag-show off yung color niya masyado sa lower lash line ko. Pero the rest, grabe, ang ganda. So this is highly recommended. Ang ganda ng pigmentation, ang ganda niya lang talaga in general. I think sa lahat ng nahanap kong murang products to review sa Shopee, dito ako pinaka na-boom. Na wow, ang ganda. The products are just below 300 pesos. Sobrang budget-friendly niya, diba? Next is this one, Pressed Glitters. Wow. Again, wow. Grabe, hindi ko ina-expect na magiging ganito yung performance niya. Kasi, ang hirap gumawa ng pressed glitters. For an eyeshadow topper, ang ganda niya. Sobrang, oh my God. Hindi ko lang matry iba, pero yung mga sinubukan ko, kahit na dalawa lang siya, I highly recommend na go buy this products kasi ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda niya. Ang ganda ni... Oh my God. Wala akong masabi kasi I think just for the price, it's worth it. Lalo na yung quality ng product na makukuha mo. Sobrang ganda. Yun nga lang, mas maganda siguro kung merong shade names to, itong Pressed Glitters. Kasi, syempre, hindi ko naman ma-identify. Ito pink, ito rin pink, ito blue, ito red. Parang ang hirap naman pag ganun. Yun lang naman. Tsaka mirror. Pero other than that, grabe, ang ganda talaga. Dito naman, ito naman, yun din. Sana may mirror lang din siya. Parang, sobrang perfect na kapag may mirror to. That completes this video. I think, nasabi ko naman lahat ng dapat masabi. Ilalagay ko sa baba kung saan ko siya nabili at kung magkano siya kasi nakalimutan ko na. Leave me a comment down below kung na-try mo na rin ba yung Beauty Glazed products. What do you think of it? Ano yung favorite item mo sa brand nila? Na-try mo rin ba yung eyeshadows nila? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please click the bell button for notifications if I upload again. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you again on my next video. Bye!